Understanding Mpox, what you need to know. Mpox, you might have heard of it, it's been in the news lately, but what exactly is it? Don't worry, we're going to break it down for you. Mpox is a disease caused by a virus. Think of a virus like a tiny bug that can make you sick. This virus used to be mostly found in Africa, but now it's popping up in other parts of the world too. The good news is, Mpox is usually mild. Most people get better on their own within a few weeks. But it's still important to know about it. Why? Because knowledge is power. When we understand Mpox, we can protect ourselves and others. How does Mpox spread? Well, it's not as easy to catch as a cold or the flu. You can get it from close contact with an infected person or animal. This could be through touching their rash, bodily fluids, or even their clothes or bedding. So now that you know a little bit about what Mpox is and how it spreads, let's talk about the symptoms. Knowing the signs is the first step to getting the right help if you need it. Symptoms can include fever, headache, muscle aches, and exhaustion. You might also notice a rash that can look like pimples or blisters. These symptoms can appear anywhere from 5 to 21 days after exposure. If you think you have Mpox, it's important to contact a healthcare provider. They can give you the best advice on what to do next. Remember, being informed is the best way to stay healthy and keep those around you safe. Recognizing the signs. Symptoms of Mpox. Mpox can start with flu-like symptoms. These initial signs can be quite subtle and might easily be mistaken for a common cold or flu. You might feel a bit feverish, have a headache, or feel tired and achy, like you've got a cold coming on. These symptoms can make you feel quite run down and exhausted. After a few days, a rash usually appears. This rash is one of the more distinctive signs of Mpox and can help in identifying the condition. This rash can look like pimples or blisters. It often starts as small raised bumps that can become filled with fluid. It can be itchy or painful. The discomfort can vary from mild irritation to severe pain, depending on the severity of the rash. The rash often starts on the face and then spreads to other parts of the body, like the hands, feet, chest, or even genitals. This spreading pattern is quite typical for Mpox. Now remember, not everyone with Mpox will have all of these symptoms. The severity and combination of symptoms can vary greatly from person to person, and sometimes the rash can be mild and easily mistaken for something else. This is why it's crucial to pay attention to any unusual changes in your skin. That's why it's important to see a doctor if you're not sure. A healthcare professional can provide a proper diagnosis and guide you on the next steps. They can figure out what's going on and make sure you get the right care. Early diagnosis and treatment can make a significant difference in managing the symptoms. Speaking of care, let's talk about treatment options for Mpox. Understanding your treatment options is essential for effective management and recovery. Seeking help and treatment options. If you think you might have Mpox, don't panic. It's natural to feel worried, but staying calm is important. The first thing to do is see a doctor. They are trained to handle such situations and can provide the best guidance. They can examine you and, if necessary, take a test to confirm the diagnosis. Early diagnosis can make a big difference in treatment. The good news is that most people with Mpox recover with rest and simple care at home. This means you can often manage your symptoms without needing to be hospitalized. This might include taking over-the-counter medications to reduce fever and pain. These medications can help you feel more comfortable as you recover. It's important to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids. Hydration helps your body fight off the infection more effectively. In some cases, your doctor might prescribe antiviral medications. These can be particularly helpful in reducing the severity of your symptoms. These medicines can help fight off the virus and make your symptoms milder. Following your doctor's instructions is crucial for the best outcome. They'll also be able to advise you on how to best care for your rash and prevent it from getting infected. Proper care can speed up your recovery. Remember, it's always best to err on the side of caution. If you're unsure about any symptoms, seeking professional advice is the safest option. If you have any concerns at all, don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor or a local health clinic. They are there to help you navigate through this. Section 4. Protecting yourself and others. Prevention is key. Let's talk about how to protect yourself and others from Mpox. The best way to prevent Mpox is to avoid close contact with infected people or animals. If someone you know has Mpox, avoid touching their rash, bodily fluids, or any items they've used, like clothing or bedding. Washing your hands frequently with soap and water is another simple but super effective way to stay healthy. And remember, vaccines are available. Talk to your doctor to see if getting vaccinated against Mpox is right for you. Section 5. Mpox, a shared responsibility. Mpox is manageable, and it's definitely not something to be ashamed of. The more we know about Mpox, the better equipped we are to protect ourselves and those around us. Remember, it's okay to ask questions and seek help if you need it. We're all in this together, and together, we can overcome Mpox and other health challenges. Let's keep talking, keep learning, and keep supporting each other. Stay informed, stay safe, and stay healthy. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to the Healthy and Fitness channel for more healthy tips. Mpox vaccination, protecting yourself and others. Vaccination is one of the most effective ways to prevent Mpox. Vaccines help your body build immunity against the virus, reducing the risk of severe symptoms if you do get infected. It's important to talk to your healthcare provider about getting vaccinated, especially if you are in a high-risk area or have been in contact with someone who has Mpox. Remember, getting vaccinated not only protects you, but also helps protect those around you. Stay informed and stay protected. Mpox around the world. Regional insights. Mpox cases have been reported in various parts of the world, with some regions experiencing higher rates of infection. It's important to stay updated on the situation in your area and follow local health guidelines. Different regions may have different recommendations for prevention and treatment, so always consult with local health authorities. By staying informed about Mpox in your region, you can take the necessary steps to protect yourself and your community. Mpox myths and facts. Separating truth from fiction. There are many myths and misconceptions about Mpox that can cause unnecessary fear and confusion. It's important to rely on accurate information from trusted sources. For example, Mpox is not as easily spread as the common cold or flu, and it is not a death sentence. Most people recover fully with proper care. By understanding the facts about Mpox, you can make informed decisions and help dispel myths in your community. Stay educated and help spread the truth about Mpox.